Before seaming your scarf hood, it's important that it has been washed and completely flat dried. This step helps everything sit beautifully once it's seamed, and there will be no hidden problems afterwards. I cut a thread approximately 3 times the length of the distance I need to seam. Thread it into tapestry needle. You need to figure out which way would you prefer to have right and wrong sides, so maybe you have some preferences. So I'll just start here on top. I get my needle somewhere in between these stitches, preferably right in the center. You see this spot. I leave a short tail and I wave it in later on. So now I'll just hook this edge here. So basically want this edge to be inside. So I'm grabbing 2 sides here and also the same 2 on the other side. So possible to do some sort of a knot. Just simply pull this sticking thread into the loop, and now it's fixed. So from now on we want to take this side in between loops here and put our yarn through it. Then go on the other side and do exactly the same. Then again take the spot in between. Then on the other side. So we're hooking these 2 threads here. Just carry on working like this until you reach your I-cord here, and we'll hide the threads together. Almost done with seaming, just basically last step. Here next to the I-cord it's already a little bit tricky, but find something to grab, and it could be even some stitches. Maybe you can go a little bit like very close to I-cord. And now we can even get inside of I-cord. And make sure that everything you see here, that you like it, maybe to pull a little bit so it won't be very restricted. That's basically how it's going to look like. This is our right side. So now we just need to wave in our tail into the I-cord. I simply put it inside. Make sure that your needles stay inside of I-cord on the both sides. Then pull it through. Make sure there is no gathering, no tension left. And then pull your yarn a little bit and cut it close to the root. And then again, this one is inside. That's how our stitches looks from outside, from inside as well. I like this side more. And then just weave in this tail. Just simply tackle it in. Make sure that you're working through this stitch we have, not through inner part, so it won't be visible. Just pull, and if there is anything to trim, you can cut it. And that's it. Your scarf hood is finished. I hope you love wearing it as much as you loved knitting it. Thank you for knitting along with me, and subscribe for more.